had a great time out fishing on my paddleboard, and now I'm letting it drive me home because it's got a motor. I'm Zachary Fowler and you're watching my extra channel, and today we got the Boost surf fin. So we got two of these all charged up, and we got a brand new Pelican paddleboard that Pelican sent me, and the Pelican kayak. We're gonna get out there, see what we can do with this, see if we can motor around and catch some big fish. All the Facebook videos I've seen on these were people surfing and stuff like that, but I like to fish, so let's see if we can't make the coolest motorized fishing paddleboard and get out there and catch something. First things first, we got, let's see, what is this one? Boracay. Blue, pretty looking. Ooh, look at that. It comes with a thing for your phone. I was wondering what I was gonna do about that, because the app for the Boost thing, if you want to adjust it or customize it, you're gonna need your phone. Now, I can bring my phone with me. Now she can come along for the ride, and then I can go to the app. Yep. And open it up and adjust my fins when they're turned on. There's the fin it comes with, which we're not using. I've used a lot of Pelican stuff over the years. Had them with me on Waterworld. Always a great kayak, always super fun. And pretty darn affordable if you compare it to the Hobies and the Old Towns. Repair kit, oh that's cool. Comes with a repair tools of some sort. Oh, and patches, well that's nice. You know what I was wondering about the paddle, if I'm fishing, like what do I do with the paddle when I want to put it down? I gotta like go down and put it on the board and hope it doesn't fall off. Maybe I can put this on there and put it around my wrist. That way I can let go of the paddle and be able to fish and just let the paddle trail and then pick up the paddle, steer, and have the controls for the Boost there. Oh nice, it comes with bungees attached to it. I was wondering how I put my fishing box on there. Alright. How many pumps does it take to get to the center of this Tootsie Roll? Okay, 8 it is. I don't trust that gauge. That thing is super pumped up. A milk crate in there. And boom. Now you got a fishing box. Alright, now that we know that that is good, time to mount the fin.
Oh, I got it!
So we can
find out real quick.
You got a fish?
Second fish. Wait.
Or the bottom?
Oh, fish. Bottom. I got it. No, I got mine stuck. I got it stuck. Oh.
Boom. So you got your little tool here, but don't lose it because you use that magnet. It's a magnetic. There you go. Oh, I got the wrong wristwatch. I had a 50-50 chance of getting it right, sure enough. Yep, I got it wrong. There we go. All right, so I need the other watch on. Maybe I'll even take this off for a minute. A little wobbly. Ooh. All right, here we go. On. Steering like that. This is nuts. It's such a workout, the paddleboard. All right, good. Whoa. It could possibly be the best way to take a nap as you go across the lake as well. Wake me up when I get to the other side.
That's the way to do
it. Pretty snazzy. Now you can nap and cruise to your fishing destination all at the same time. As long as you're confident. Actually, I could use my Navionics app and be guiding myself a little bit, right? Just stick the paddle in to turn. And then you get back to shore and you just turn it off. Beep, and you're back. That is, that is so cool. I think I'm ready to gear up and try to catch a fish off of this thing. What a workout. I do. You know what? Like standing on this thing when you're going, Sarah's gonna love this. She's like, I wanna go paddleboarding every day because it's a workout and stuff. But I feel like while you're running that thing and you're cruising, it's not taking away from what would be a workout. Like your abs and stuff when you're standing, and you're still able to paddle and stroke, and you're moving along and you're just like, and it's like you could probably go, you're going faster and you're still getting a workout and you could cover more ground and see more of the lake. So very cool. Wait, ready? We'll do it again. We'll do a burnout. Burnout with the paddleboard. All right, let's load it up. Got the remains of a craw on here, so let's rig something else up. And we got a top water little fish on this one. Let's see, we got a little red-eared sunfish with a little spinny tail. I think we're gonna go with the mondo worm. There we go, mondo worm.
There you go.
Another new toy, these sunglasses. They're supposed to float.
Try them shallow.
Hey, they would float. They float. Hey. How cool is that? These are airhead, which makes sense. You call them airheads now. So, cool. Of course, I didn't get them for the floating aspect. I got them because they're orange. I was cheating earlier without the life jacket. So you got to have a life jacket at least on you, right? You don't have to wear it, but you can strap it. Probably, it's what those things are for right there. And we got the other one on John's, of course. So everybody's got their life jackets. And John is on the Pelican. Which one is that? The Catch
130?
130? I don't know. It's the biggest Pelican, 130. Yeah, one string pulls it up and one string puts it down. There it is. All right, and then slip it into that notch right there. There's a little notch on the deck. Yep. That way it stays pulled down. Yeah. How's that, huh? Then you can lock your paddle back in and you're paddle free. You look like Dusty from G.I. Joe. He had that cool hat with a bandana thing that came off of it. G.I. John. I bet he even had a mustache. Man, you're fast on that thing. But wait, I can catch up. Or can I? Who's faster? Me with the boosted board, Pelican with the boost on it, or John? On your mark, get set, go. Oh, I see a falling down tree. I'm gonna fish it. I've only ever used a paddleboard once before, and I was just to make fun of it. I'd much rather have a boat, I felt like, but I'm liking this now. Oh, getting bites. Nope, lost him. That sun is just brutal. Well, there is a bit of a learning curve. Thank goodness for the floating sunglasses, huh? Now that I've spooked all the fish, I think we gotta go find a different little spot. Just a little stroke here and there. She goes really straight all on her own. I don't know if you could turn it without the pedal. Just seems to go pretty darn straight. Maybe if you lean, it does turn a littlest bit, and you lean the other way, but you can always straighten it out by putting your paddle in like that or turning it. Let's find some prime fishing area. got about an hour out of it, and I made it halfway back up the lake after an hour of scooting around on and off, on and off. So it's pretty darn good. That's pretty darn good. If you were surfing and you're just boosting into a wave and stuff like that, you'd be at it all afternoon, because I was using sustained runs, like up and down the lake and up and down the lake and stuff. So let's see how much further we can get with a second one hooked up. We can't lose the screws in the water or that would stink. They stick to the back. That would be clever if they stuck to the back. How about we stick them inside the back? There we go, into there. Throw the newly charged one on. There we go. And we're speeding. How cool is this? Oh, right in under the tree. That's the one. Oh, fish on. I lose him? Oh, I lost him. Just a little bass in. I lost him. Oh, I was so ready. The wind's picked up. I was paddling for a bit just to save the motor, but it's hard to paddle upwind like this, so I should have stayed closer to the shore. I'm almost to the other end of the lake now. What would have been a 2-hour trip has taken me about 30 minutes while I'm boosting my way along whenever the wind picks up. All the way up the other end to the spot where the dam is and some of the better fish catches that I was able to accomplish during 7-Day Island Survival Challenge. So thought we'd come up here where I know where the fish are. There we go. Oh, lost him. Little guy. Fish on. Oh, can I land him though? I've already lost 4. Can't tell if he's decent or just... Ah, come on. Nice. Oh, he's a good one. Oh, don't get in the weeds. Get out of the weeds. Oh, he's in the weeds. Oh. That's a good one. Oh, that's a fish. That's a, oh, come on, come on, come on. Don't go on the stick, under the stick, under the stick. Oh, 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 oh. There's no boat flip. There's no boat flip. Ah, yes, yes. That's a good 2. That's a good 2. Oh, I should have brought the scale. I thought of minimalizing since I'm on the paddleboard, but it's official. Boosted Pelican board, boosting a board to get to the other side of the lake where the fish are. What a beautiful bass. Oh, you're a gorgeous fish. Look at you. Look at you. Ah, yes. All right, we'll let him go. We'll let him go because he earned it. I earned it. Yes. Oh, majestic. So majestic. He just swims slowly off through the weeds. Yes. Score. Ah, thank you, Lord. What a beautiful day. Ah, yeah. All right. It's official. I was able to boost my way all the way down the lake. The paddleboard is awesome. My toes are tingling from standing on it for so long. I don't think I've spent so many hours before out on a paddleboard. I think next time maybe just bringing one rod or putting the basket on the back. Maybe a basket on the back and on the front. I love it. I love it. And I saved some motor for the ride home so I don't have to, we'll see. I probably don't have to paddle all that far. Let's go home. Ah, we did it. Woo! That is awesome. This thing is awesome. Took me about 20 minutes of fishing once I got down to this end. And we spent about 2.5 hours, 3 hours goofing around on them. That's a lot of fun time for just 2 of these, much less how much fun we had with just one. I have to say, that is awesome. Now I'm gonna head back to my lake and grill with the family and stuff, and I'll charge them up and let them play around with them, and these are just gonna be a big part of our lives, I think, from now on. The paddle boards, awesome. Thank you, Pelican, and the Boost. Thank you so much, guys, for sending that to us. We'll put the links in the description below if you guys want to get one. I love it. Oh, there is one thing I wish they did. I wish it showed the charge on here. I don't understand how it can send the message, but I don't want to get my phone out and see where it's at. It would be really cool if it showed 3 dots of how much charge you had, because then you could know you get up maybe 5 dots. So that way, when you goof around getting up the lake with 2 to 3 dots, you know you could save that last bit to be like, this is back home. That's your range. I feel like these boosts would be really great for Maine when the surf isn't that huge. You'll be able to boost into a wave and ride a small wave and kind of be like chilling, riding it in, and it wouldn't even have to be much because you got a little bit of extra power, so you can stay right in that power band of the surfing spot for the wave. Yeah, I haven't surfed a lot, but I surfed once or twice in the winter, once a long time ago, and I understand the concept. So I can see how this, for somewhere like Maine with smaller waves on an average, if you drive all that way and then it turns out the swell is kind of lame, but they're still clean, you could have so much fun with this. And somebody on a paddleboard going out and like surfing waves in, using their boost to like bring them out there, and then using their paddleboard to like enjoy the ride in. So cool. You know what? She's tracking pretty well. I'm just gonna take a nap in the sun while I wait. Oh, we're home. Look at that. Oh, better stop boosting. Oh my goodness, we made it all the way back. I just like chilled the whole way back. I had to readjust once or twice, but that's it. That's awesome. I want to see how much power is still in this thing. 29% left. Pelican paddleboard, awesome. Boost fin, 29% still left in it. Went all the way down to the other end of the lake, fished, caught fish, came back, epic. So awesome. Thanks for watching. I'll link those in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one. Fowler out.